24/7 and get them up and about, latest within 2 weeks. Internal deadline is 10 days.
A promise to the citizens and a deadline to the authorities. The Union Power Minister had an action plan ready this morning as Delhi reels under one of its biggest power crises.
कल भी 6 घंटे के लिए गई है, अब भी आज हो गए पूरे 3 घंटे हो चुके हैं, अब भी नहीं आई लाइट.
1 o'clock there is no light in our area. It's now 4 hours has gone.
Situation over here is pretty bad because we've been hearing that there are power cuts about 3 to 4 hours here as well. However, there are certain areas of Delhi which were experiencing long power outages till yesterday. The situation is slightly improving there. However, we've been told that in areas like Dwarka, Patel Nagar, there are still long power cuts.
While little has changed on the ground, political parties have chosen to indulge in blame game, with each one putting the onus on the other.
Holistic vision and a holistic plan for Delhi is completely non-existent after over a decade.
दिल्ली के अंदर दिल्ली की स्थिति नहीं सुधरती और इसके लिए कोई जिम्मेवार है तो वो नरेंद्र मोदी वाली सरकार.
Congress have been here for the long term. And obviously it is in the long term that a lot of things should have been done. And that was not done.
While the Congress and the BJP were busy trading charges, the Aam Aadmi Party wasn't too far behind. Back to its agitational mode.
तो जब से भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनी है तब से इतने पावर कट क्यों हो रहे हैं?
Even as the political blame game continues, on the resentment level, people are really worried that how will they really go with this immense heat wave in the capital if things were going from bad to really worse with the electricity crisis.
There are long power cuts, and one of the problem in our area is power theft.
Clueless on the reason behind their agony, it's the same story across the national capital. Following the emergency review meet, the Power Minister has set a 14-day deadline, reiterating that there is no power shortage.
There is adequate power in the entire system. I can provide as much power as I had mentioned in the context of UP earlier.
We are in Chawla on the outskirts of Delhi. As you can see from the visuals, these were the overhead high tension wires that used to supply power to the capital. Now, once the dust storm hit the city, most of these high tension wires collapsed.
As the common man faces the brunt of not just record temperatures but also long hours of power cuts, what has now taken center stage is the blame game.